Welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I wanted to do a review and a tutorial. I have the Lime Crime. It's called the Prelude. This is the palette right here. It's called the Prelude Chroma. It has a nice hard packaging just like the rest of the palettes. And then these are the colors that it comes in. So if you want to see how this look is going to turn out, keep on watching. And also, if you're new to this channel, check it out. And to my day ones, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, let's jump into. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I prime my eyes with a P. Louise base. I have it in the Rumor 0.5. And just a disclaimer, if you do hear like a mild sound, I do have my fan on. So I want to go for like a halo eye. So I'm going to dip in the shade called Cyrus. It's this purple shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that to the middle of my lid. Hey guys, so at this part, I'm just going to apply the purple shade on the middle of the eyelid. And then after that, I'm going to go in with that green shade and apply that on both the sides. Alright, so both eyes are done. Now I'm going in with my Morphe 506 brush and I'm just going in and blending it so there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with my eye base. I'm going to attempt to do a halo. I have not done these in a long time, so y'all are going to see how I had to keep on going in. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Next, I'm going to go in with the lid color. Next, I'm going to go in with that duochrome shade, the light blue shade. I'm just going to apply that on the middle of my eyelid. Y'all, I was so shocked about this duochrome. It literally had two different colors in it. Next, I'm going in with that second dark duochrome shade and I'm putting it on both sides of the eye. Next, I'm going in with the purple shade and I'm going to put it on both sides of the eye so that I can blend. Next, I'm showing you guys how the eyes look once I'm blended it. Next, I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner. Next, I'm just showing you guys my eyelashes and how the eyes are looking. Now I'm going in with Ruby Kisses, a white eyeliner, so that I can do my under eye. Next, I'm going in with that light color and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eyelid, and then I'm going to put the green on the other side of the eyelid at the bottom. Next, I decided to add some crystals on the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. So overall, this palette was a complete surprise. I did not expect to like it this much. These duochromes in this palette was so beautiful, especially this one. I didn't expect it to turn out how it was going to turn out. It is completely gorgeous, y'all. This color is gorgeous as well. These two colors that I use, the mattes, they are very pigmented. This is pigmented as well. The only thing I didn't use was these two and these two. So I can go ahead and swatch them on my fingers just so you guys can have an idea of how they're looking. That gold color is kind of cute. So that's like a duochrome. It has like a green to it. That's gorgeous. Really, really nice. I can't wait to play with the rest of this palette. And to my surprise, y'all, I did not have any fallout. That is so surprising. The colors blended well. The packaging is gorgeous. And the color scheme is just so freaking pretty. I just love it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that I didn't talk in it, but my fan is blowing. Hopefully it's not interrupting y'all, but thanks again so much. I really, really love this palette. Oh my God. So thanks y'all for watching. Bye.